Hey there, flavor adventurers! Today, we're diving into a recipe that's about to become your new obsession, Cowboy candy. It's sweet, it's spicy, and it's incredibly versatile. This isn't just pickled jalapeños, it's a culinary game changer. Perfect for grilling season, holiday appetizers, or just jazzing up your everyday meals. You're going to love this. First, you'll need about a pound of fresh jalapeños, thinly sliced. Remember to wear gloves for this part. Safety first, especially when dealing with that capsaicin kick. For our magical syrup, combine apple cider vinegar, sugar, turmeric, garlic powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Once your syrup is bubbling, add the sliced jalapeños. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 5 minutes. You'll see them start to soften and turn a beautiful, vibrant green. Carefully transfer the jalapeños into sterilized jars, then pour the hot syrup over them, making sure they're fully submerged. Seal those jars tightly and let them cool. For the best flavor, let them sit in the fridge for at least a week. And there you have it, homemade cowboy candy. Spoon it over cream cheese with crackers. Add it to your burgers, hot dogs, or even scrambled eggs. It's fantastic on BBQ too. This sweet and spicy treat is guaranteed to elevate any dish. Give it a try, and prepare to impress everyone with your culinary prowess. Happy cooking!